Welcome to Boulevard. We help appointment-based self-care businesses provide exceptional service across every step in the client experience, so you and your staff can enjoy the same kind of magical moments you provide your clients. It all starts with getting more clients in the door. Clients love our seamless self-booking because it's fast and easy to book their favorite services and providers directly on your website using their mobile device. Both self-booking and the Boulevard calendar use precision scheduling to stack your schedule, so you can avoid appointment gaps, boost productivity, and reduce downtime. Our customers report a 16% increase in services booked within their first 90 days of using Boulevard, and 71% fewer no-shows and late cancellations. Free up your front desk and help your clients prepare for their visit with customizable intake forms they can fill out before they come in, and convenient text reminders that let them communicate directly with your front desk before picking up the phone to call. Arrival is fast and easy. With self-check-in through the Boulevard Duo iPad app, service providers get alerts as soon as their client walks in the door, while front desk staff are free to focus on other tasks. You can guarantee a great service experience with detailed client profiles that provide info on past appointments, previous purchases, message history, social media profiles, and so much more, so you'll be able to personalize every service. Accommodations take the guesswork out of custom pricing or visit duration times. And service providers can help increase average ticket value by easily adding product recommendations to client profiles. Once clients are looking and feeling their best and ready to go, Boulevard Payments makes checkout a breeze by seamlessly accepting multiple forms of payment while making upselling and rebooking a no-brainer, all from one screen. Front desk staff can add smart product recommendations to a client's cart with a single click, so you'll never miss out on upsell opportunities. This has helped Boulevard customers increase retail sales value by as much as 18% in their first 90 days. Rebooking is built right into the same checkout screen, so you can turn every visitor into a lifetime customer. And clients can discreetly add gratuity through the Boulevard Duo app, which has helped Boulevard customers report a 24% increase in gratuities in their first 90 days. Keep the spark alive with clients with Boulevard's powerful marketing suite at your fingertips. Our set and forget automated email campaigns help you fill slow days, remind your clients to book, and drive revenue with powerful campaigns that run themselves. One-time blast campaigns are perfect for beautifully branded newsletters, promotions, announcements, and more. And customizable reporting helps you make accurate predictions based on what matters most to you. So you can set goals based on data like VIP clients, top promotions, staff utilization, or payroll and commissions. Boulevard is world-class technology with a personal touch, so you can build your business while creating the best possible experience for your clients. Schedule your live demo of Boulevard today to learn how you can give your clients more of the magical moments that matter.